Hello friends, welcome back to another awesome video. Today we will learn about how we can cancel Go High Level trial. First of all, you need to click on 30 days free trial. When you click on 30-day free trial of Go High Level, you just need to sign up your account. After sign up your account, there is no directly option for canceling the account, but you can also cancel the account without the given option. You just need to click on this help center. When you click on this help center or help chat, there is an assistant. Then you just need to ask him to cancel your trial. When you ask him to cancel your trial, it will cancel your trial, but there is a policy. If you uh, reach your use your trial already for 14 days, you cannot cancel your trial. But if your trial start now, you can cancel your trial without any issue. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.